Hello guys, we're going to use this rubber band thing and then we're going to spin our hairs, make it in the bun and very easily using this. So it's very pretty. In the next one again we're going to make a ponytail and then tie it in the half. Then we're going to use another flower clutcher to make this low bun. In the next one again we're going to make a mid ponytail and using a clutcher with a three-sided pin, then using our hairs and tie them together again using a pin and make a bow. In the next one we're going to make a ponytail, then we're going to make it fluffy and tying a rubber band at the end, then securing it with a flower pin at the end, and it looks very pretty. In the next one again we're going to make a ponytail, then spin our hairs into a very nice bun and then clutcher it up with this beaded clutcher. You can get any of the clutcher you want. In the next one we're going to take part of our hairs from the front and then spin it and then tie it with this pin, and it looks very elegant and pretty. In the next one we're going to again use this pin and then tie a rubber band at the end. Again we're using this pin to make a low bun, fluffy bun actually. In the next one we're going to make a ponytail and spin it and spin it into a very nice bun, and by using the clutcher we're going to finish it up. You can use any of the clutcher you want. Thank you guys for watching.